You want to look like a powerhouse, right? Maybe you've seen Toji Fushiguro and thought, I want that physique, minus the bad habits, of course. Well, it's not just his skills that made him popular, it's his crazy strong build. Today, I'm going to break down how you can build a similar physique at home without any weights. I say similar physique as genetics play a big role in how your physique looks like in the end. Some have poor genetics and some have elite genetics, but don't be demotivated by this, as the mindset and hard work is all that matters. Don't compare yourself to others. Compare yourself to the past you, and see for yourself how much you've grown. Let's talk about Togi's build. Togi doesn't have any supernatural powers to rely on, so all of his strength and speed come from pure physical training and raw power. His broad shoulders and massive muscular back create that iconic V-shape that stands out immediately. His wide lats and well-developed traps make his upper body look even more imposing, giving him the appearance of a human tank. He's built like a machine, with an incredibly defined chest that's hard to miss, and boulder-sized shoulders that make it look like he's always ready for battle. His thick, powerful arms, both biceps and forearms, show the kind of strength he's packing. And while the show doesn't often show much of his legs, don't be fooled into thinking he skips leg day. Just look at the way he moves. Those massive, explosive jumps that he uses to leap around effortlessly wouldn't be possible without strong, well-trained legs. His lower body is probably just as powerful as his upper body. It's clear that his leg strength is just as important in making him the unstoppable force that he is. Togi's incredible physique isn't something that happened overnight. It's the result of relentless hard work, discipline, and a commitment to mastering his body. What makes him stand out isn't just his raw strength, but his overall athleticism. He moves with speed, agility, and precision, proving that it's not just about being bulky, but also about being functional. His strength allows him to take on powerful opponents, while his speed gives him the edge in battle. This balance of strength and speed is what makes him so dangerous, and it's something anyone can aim for through consistent training. We're going to follow a 6-day workout routine that focuses on 3 main areas: pull, back and biceps; push, chest, shoulders, triceps, and legs. This routine uses calisthenics, so no weights are needed, just your body and determination. Each workout day will focus on one of these areas, with a rest day at the end. Day 1. Pull day. On this day, we will be working our back and biceps. The backbone of this workout is the pull-up. It's going to hit your lats, upper back, rear delts, and biceps. Doing pull-ups is essential for building a thick back. Aim for 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. If you're a beginner, try doing negative pull-ups and work your way up to a proper pull-up. If you don't have a pull-up bar, then touch some grass, head to the nearest playground or park, and use the pull-up bar or the monkey bars. For biceps, you'll do chin-ups. Aim for 3 sets of 8 to 15 reps. Finish with some false grip hangs, which will work your forearms. 3 sets of 30 seconds is a great start for a beginner. Day 2. Push day. On this day, we will be working our chest, shoulders, and triceps. Start with pike push-ups to target your shoulders. 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps should be enough, or try handstand push-ups against the wall if you're more advanced. To hit your chest, you'll do incline push-ups and regular push-ups. Go for 15 reps of incline push-ups and 15 reps of regular push-ups. Do both of these for 3 sets. Next up are dips for your chest and triceps, followed by tricep extensions on the floor. 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps for each exercise will help you build size and strength. Day 3. Legs. You'll start with Bulgarian split squats. Aim for 3 sets of 15 reps. Jumping squats come next to build explosive power in your legs. Do 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Rest and recovery. After 3 tough workout days, it's important to take a full rest day. This break is essential for your muscles to heal and grow stronger. Just like athletes push their bodies to the limit, they also know when to take a step back. Rest isn't optional, it's part of the process. Without recovery, your muscles won't rebuild and get stronger, and you might even risk injury. This workout plan may not be packed with fancy equipment or complicated exercises, but it's designed to get real results. Like Togi, you won't need anything special, just your body, a lot of effort, and a strong mindset. The key is simple: hard work, laser focus, and consistency. You have to be disciplined, stick with the routine, and push yourself even when you don't feel like it. Over time, if you stick to this grind, your body will transform, and you'll be able to build a physique that's as impressive as Togi's. No shortcuts, no excuses, just results. It's time to stop thinking about it and start doing it. Every workout counts. Every rest day counts. So stay focused, stay disciplined, and go make it happen. Stay strong and keep pushing yourself. If you like this video, hit the like button. It helps others find this content, and that helps me too. If you're new here, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.